Welcome to AI and Crypto with Steve. In today's video, I'll show you how easy it is to add the Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet with just a few clicks. Open your Chrome browser and ensure your MetaMask wallet is unlocked. If it isn't, take a moment to do so now. In your browser's address bar, enter polygonscan.com and press the Enter key. Allow the page to load fully. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the Powered by Polygon POS Chain section. There you'll see the MetaMask logo. Click on the Add Polygon Network button. MetaMask will ask if you want to add the network. Click Approve to add it. After adding the network, you can choose to switch to the Polygon network immediately if you want. Click Got it. After switching to the Polygon network in the previous step, you now have access to the Polygon network through your MetaMask wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe for more content from Steve on AI and crypto. Until next time, farewell and happy trading.